If we're talking about the footprint of flavor, it should carry meaning, not carbon. Today, a recipe doesn't just fill you up, it carries memory, transforms systems, and shapes the future. And on this journey, we're inspired by France, Italy, and Scandinavia. Michelin restaurants in Paris are now awarded not only for taste, but also for sustainability. Stale bread becomes dessert, scraps become broth, leftovers become opportunity. In Paris, farm to table is a way of life. Restaurants source from urban gardens, fresh cheeses come from nearby farms, and deliveries are made by bike. Shorter chains, lower emissions. Some chefs now serve less but say more. Luxury in France means restraint. A smaller, simpler plate isn't lacking. It's mindful. Here, beauty and ethics go hand in hand. Benvenuti. In Italy, food is more than a meal. It's memory, identity, and resilience. Menus follow the seasons. Polenta and chestnuts in the north, sun-ripened tomatoes and capers in the south. Chefs cook what the land offers. The slow food movement was born here. It celebrates local products, time, and diversity. Some chefs work with drought-resistant heritage grains. Others revive handwritten family recipes. In Italy, sustainability isn't just about reducing waste. It's about protecting culture, cooking with meaning, and turning every plate into a story. The future of food isn't fast. It's meaningful, rooted, and meant to be shared. In Scandinavia, flavor follows nature's rhythm. Vegetables are dried, fermented, preserved, not cooked with fire, but with time. Sustainability here is practical. From low-energy kitchens to respectful foraging, every step values nature, and nothing is rushed. Because in the north, time is not wasted, it's part of the recipe. Innovation doesn't always mean invention. Sometimes it simply means seeing things differently.